Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to speed up your Framer workflow. So if you are going straight into Framer to design your websites and you're not designing first, you're going straight into Framer, you need some ideas, you need some structure, and you just want to get things done quickly, you can now use Framer's feature Wireframer. So this came out a few months ago, so we're a bit late to the game, but they have released some cool new features, which includes dynamic icons. So I'm going to show you how you can use Wireframer to prompt a basic About Us page. So you can make your prompt as general, broad as you'd like to, or you can make it quite specific. You can also prompt for landing pages, portfolios. There's a lot of ideas that are given to you here. You can also create kind of a links page, like a link in bio style page, a few different styles of things, and it gives you a wireframe. So it's not a fully styled page, but it gives you a great wireframe. So actually, instead of an about page, I'm gonna make wireframer recreate our Coastal Themes page. So I got ChatGPT to help me with the prompt, and it's design a clean looking, fast loading landing page for Coastal Themes. So I'm going to remove that. Wireframe for Coastal Themes. It's a theme site. We sell Framer, Webflow, and Ghost themes. And the landing page should highlight 3 platforms: Framer, Webflow, Ghost, hero section, bestsellers, social proof like testimonials, and clear CTAs. So obviously, I don't even need to say optimize for desktop and mobile, because it will always, whenever you use Wireframer, it will always be optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile. So let's see how Wireframer does with this prompt. And Wireframer is usually really, really good. And I think it's just really nice because it gives you structures from the get-go. So I could take this, I could right click and I could create a component, and I could make my navigation, I could componentize kind of all these sections which have been designed for me already, and they're all organized perfectly into stacks. So if we went to our layers panel, we could see here everything's in stacks. It's perfectly organized, and I can't really fault the way it's built, but what you obviously can fault, if you would like to say that, is it's not the most creative thing. So it's very basic, and that's kind of one of the only downfalls. You're not going to get a super conceptual look. Maybe you can prompt it in that direction, but the cool thing is you can continually prompt. It's kind of like a Framer workshop, which we've gone over in another video. So the shortcut to get to Wireframer is just to hit W on your keyboard, and that will open your kind of AI chat on the left-hand side. So now I can see that it's giving me some suggestions. So replace with a comparison table, add FAQ section. So let's add an FAQ section and see what happens. And the thing is, with a normal section on Framer for FAQs, it's very much a component, and it's kind of linked to different assets which sit in your files. But I want to see what happens. Yes, so it does use a component. I'm not sure what spacing is going on here, but I can kind of adjust this as I would like, basically. So it's given me this, and let's preview. Let's actually preview the whole thing. So there's no links, obviously. There's no hover animations. It is very much a wireframe, and it just gives you the structure, and that is where the magic is. But you can see that the one thing that does work is the FAQ section, and that's cool because it's obviously pulling the logic from Framer that's already in a lot of their native things. So you can kind of experiment with this, and you can use their default prompts. You can create an about page, create a link in bio page, and it's up to you. And I'm keen to see in the comments below if you've used this before. Has this helped you speed up your process? Because we think it's a really great starting point if you're designing straight into Framer, and that's the magic. So let me know. And while you're at it, if you're looking to upgrade your Framer to Pro, you can use our code Partner25Pro yearly, and you can use the link in the description to get you to our page, so you can make sure you're getting 25% off your first year of Framer. That is the equivalent of 3 months free. So super good deal. Please don't miss it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.